I'm back. Like I said, this is Catalyst Pink. Welcome to my channel, and this is the next video that I'm gonna do from the other one that I did just now. So let me relax. They're drinking an energy drink. Don't drink energy drinks. I'm kidding. So if you're wondering what lipstick I'm wearing the one in matte 006, and this one's in really red. Oh, it's a matte lipstick. I was like, what? Okay. Let me retouch. Oh, and if you're wondering how it looks, it's a red color. I love red lipsticks, even though nowadays with the whole pandemic and the mask and everything, you can't even like see it. But since this is a video, I could wear lipstick if I want to. So yeah. Okay, let's get started. So the video is gonna be a what's in my backpack purse. I have the Louis Vuitton dupe here, and this in the reverse pattern. It has the straps. It has the straps here. Let's see. I have my hand sanitizer, pom-pom, and little keychain of the teddy bear. So let's get started. What's in it? What's in here? It's packed of stuff in here. It is a small backpack, so I have it all cramped up here. Yes, these are my glasses. I know they shouldn't be in here like this, but they were pretty cheap, these ones. And I mean, if you don't mind them, you could like just put them in there like that. If you do, then obviously put your case. But I use those for driving, so yeah. So my next thing is my mask, and I like to like strap them, cause you know nowadays you need a mask for everything. So, and then I have receipts. Take those out. Okay, let me see. So I have my little wallet, which I did show this one on the other video that I did from the other one, which is like just a little card thing. Then is my little pouch that I showed in my other video. It's the same pouch. I have just little like cash and coins there. Next, I have this LAX charger. It's a power bank thing for when your phone dies or your AirPods die or whatever. You know, you have a backup there. I'm using the cord right now, the charging cord right now, so yeah. Next, from here, taking it out of here. It's the Betsy Johnson AirPod case with the AirPods, obviously. Please don't mind them. They're a little bit dirty, but yeah. I really like this one. It has a little heart keychain thing. Yeah. Next is this little case that I bought. And I don't know, I guess it could be for like, I put cards in here. So it's a little card case. Then I have this little Q-Tex wipe for when you need to take off your nail polish. If you're gonna go do your nails or whatever, then. Next is this hydrant things. And I bought this ones last time because they're supposed to hydrate you. Yeah, you need electrolytes and all that. So yeah, which I need to drink them because. Next is this Super Stay Full Coverage Powder. It's a powder foundation, and excuse how dirty and ugly it looks. But yep, this one's in the color 332 caramel, no, golden caramel. And I like to carry this one everywhere in case you need to just pat down. If you don't have like, you know, your foundation or whatever, you could just throw this on and it will like save you. Next is my little mirror. It's a little cute mirror. Okay, so that's that. And then I carry my vitamins here in this thing. Some Advil. It's a little Hello Kitty thing. It's an old little jar, but I still like it. And then I have another lipstick here, the Fabulous Fig 009, and this is one of my old favorites. I don't believe they do this one anymore, so I'm like, I don't want it to finish. It's a red, but it's more like a darker brickish red, I would say, like brick color. And then I have my eyeliner for when I put eyeliner. Oh, there's a hair right here. No. A little brow thing from the elf. Well, can you even see it? And a pen. And then obviously my feminine stuff in here, but yeah, like feminine stuff and stuff like that. And that's pretty much it from the bag. Let me show you once again. The straps, I really like it. And as you can see, the straps aren't as long, so I like, it's just like a little bit above the butt, not under it, so that's a good thing. And then my keys are, this was just my key from the car. Yeah, and yeah, and I carry it on because last time I got myself locked out of the car and it was just horrible. And then this is the other key that I have, but I switch up. Either I use that one sometimes or I use this one, which is just the same one key. This one's a little reusable bag. The little Minnie Mouse with the LV colors. Little pepper spray, so whenever you need to yeah. Anyways, enough of this, whatever you want to call it right now. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please thumbs up, subscribe for more, and yeah, I'm a weird one, so yeah, bye bye.